talking about what do Mumbaikars want. The battle for BMC that is set to take off, voting tomorrow. We'll start with you, Tara Deshpande. What do Mumbaikars want? Are we looking at issues-based elections, or are we stuck on religion, region, and language? Tara Deshpande.
Well, I think there'll always be a little bit of identity politics because this is India, this is Bharat. But I think it's less so in Mumbai than it is in other parts of the country. We just have such huge issues right now that are so worrisome that I think people are kind of more scared than they have been before. Also, we're having an election after a really long time. So I think, I'm hoping that we have more people voting than in the past. One of the issues that citizens often complain about is that the response time of the BMC to their problems are far from what the Citizens Charter outlines. The Citizens Charter says for emergency problems, 24 hours to resolve it and 3 business days to resolve a non-emergency problem. But the average from studies shows that it takes between 30 and 35 days for the
Okay.
BMC to resolve any of the citizens' issues. This is, a very, very long drawn process getting any problem solved here. And one of the reasons for it is there are, a lot of reasons, and these are quite surprising. The BMC's budget has gone up by 25% 5 years ago, and again in this period by another 20%. Yet there has been a fall of between 11 and 18% in the monies that have been passed on to the wards. So if the wards are ill equipped, how are they going to function? We
All
also have a
right.
lot of vacancies in the BMC right now in very critical sectors that have not been filled. We need more people manning the BMC in order to help citizens out.